The Rwandan Ministry of Health and the Chinese Embassy in Rwanda signed a Memorandum of Understanding Wednesday in Kigali to facilitate the dispatching of Chinese medical personnel to Rwanda for another 5 years. Rwandan Health Minister Daniel Namij expressed his appreciation for Chinese doctors' work in the country.
We are expecting doctors coming from some field where we have some gaps in terms of specialists. So we appreciate this partnership. After 40 years of cooperation, medical cooperation between government of Rwanda and the People's Republic of China, I think today we are expanding again this agreement of 5 years because we appreciate the service we received from those doctors so far in the country.
According to the minister, the doctors will be working in Masaka Hospital in Kigali and Kibungo Hospital in eastern Rwanda. Wang Jiaxin, the economic and commercial counselor of the Chinese embassy in Rwanda, said that the program has set a solid foundation for the understanding of the two peoples.
The Rwandan people are benefiting from this program, and this program has also set a very solid foundation just for the understanding of the two people.